Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and across the world are set to observe the India's Republic Day tomorrow as a Black Day in protest against India's denial of their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, call for the observance of the Black Day was issued by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and other Hurriyat organizations. In occupied Kashmir, the day will witness a complete strike while anti-India demonstrations and rallies are planned in Azad Kashmir, Pakistan and various world capitals. All Parties Hurriyat Conference and the affiliated leaders have extended heartfelt tributes to the victims of the Handwara and other massacres, mostly carried by the Indian forces in the month of January in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, on the 34th anniversary of the Handwara massacre, the APHC spokesman issued a statement in Srinagar recounting the tragic events of the day. Ahead of the India's Republic Day, the Indian military apparatus has launched a comprehensive operation, including cordon and search operations in various areas of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the forces are conducting CASOs in Doda, Kishtwar, Ramban, Rajouri and Poonch districts, targeting the household associations with pro-freedom sentiments. In occupied Kashmir, posters displayed by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and other freedom organizations have urged the people to observe the January 26, the Indian Republic Day, as a Black Day tomorrow. According to Kashmir Media Service, the posters call for a boycott of all the official celebrations, asserting that India lacks the legal and moral justification for celebrating its Republic Day in a territory occupied against the will of its people. Occupied Kashmir, known for its breathtaking landscapes and the cultural richness, is grappling with the coexistence of tourism and repression at the hands of around 1 million Indian troops deployed by the Modi-led Indian occupation regime in the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, January 25th, celebrated as India's National Tourism Day, serves as a stark reminder of the challenges faced by the Kashmir's tourism industry. Tensions escalated in the Kupwara district after the residents took to the streets, blocking the Kupwara-Karna road in a protest against the anti-people policies of the authorities. According to Kashmir Media Service, the protest demonstration, primarily led by the women, was a response to the authorities' apathy towards the provision of the facilities including water and electricity to the people of the district. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter organized a prayer session in Islamabad on the 34th anniversary of the martyrs of the Hindutva massacre. According to Kashmir Media Service, the event was held to pay tribute to those who lost their lives in firing by the Indian troops on peaceful protests in the Handwara area of the Kupwara district on this day in 1990.